Good evening, y'all. Hope everybody had a great Tuesday. Got a little information I'm gonna throw at y'all. I've been fortunate and an extreme blessing to partner up with Tin Can Outdoors. You're gonna see and hear a little bit more about them in this video. I've got 16, almost 17 years this next May in the fire service, both on the private and public side. So I'm familiar with the secondary trauma and post-traumatic stress disorders and problems and struggles that guys have on the first responder side. My dad's been in a varying capacity of law enforcement for 40 plus years, so it's something that I grew up with, understood a little bit, but then when I got into the fire service, really understood it more. Matthew Burke with Tin Can has done a phenomenal job in laying out the goals and the mission for Tin Can Outdoors. We're bringing it a little further west. They're based out of Florida. We're going to try to keep it here and get it going again here in the Oklahoma area. In fact, we've already got our first Warrior Up duck hunt planned for the end of December. In fact, you need to look up Duck Life Outfitters. Those are the guys you need to go to if you want to duck hunt here in Oklahoma. So without dragging things out any longer, let's transition over. I want you to see and hear about Tin Can Outdoors, who we've partnered up with. Y'all have a great one.
Everybody wanna die rich. Diamond, champagne, newest to the new planes. Work your way down that list and we try. Everybody tries to fit it into that ditch. You can't take it with you when you go. Never seen a hearse with a trailer hitch. Never seen a hearse with a trailer hitch. Hey, hey, give it away.
Sometimes bad things, horrible things happen to good people.
I was taking apart a bomb in Afghanistan and it blew up. It took my right leg above the knee and my right hand above right above the wrist, and then my thumb, index, and middle finger on this side.
I don't know why, but life isn't fair. That's the reality. A good person in the wrong place, in the wrong time, can end up just a victim of fate and of reality. And it can be horrible and heart-wrenching. But when those bad things happen to people around you, what are you going to do? How are you going to lead? Are you going to get angry? Are you going to get frustrated? Are you going to lash out at people? Are you going to start going down the spiral of negativity? Are you going to let this horrible situation dictate the way you feel and the way you handle it? Are you going to fall over and fall down and fall apart? Or are you going to lead? Are you going to face this issue with courage, with resolution? I say lead. Lead. Step up to the challenge. Be the one that other people look to. Absorb that impact. Absorb that negativity. Draw fire. Draw fire. That's when a member of a platoon, for tactical reasons, steps into the open to draw enemy fire. Maybe to give another part of his team the chance to move or distract the enemy. But that's what I say. Draw fire. Bring that pain to me. I can handle it. when maybe others cannot. When bad things are happening, I am going to try and be the one good thing, the thing standing tall that can be relied upon, because I know that attitude will spread. It will bolster those around me. And we will fight. And in fighting, we will win. And if not the battle, and if not the war, we will win because our spirit, it will never surrender. And that is the ultimate victory. To hold your head high, and even in the face of inescapable defeat, to stand and to fight. That is to win.
Whatever situation life throws at me, I should be able to handle that situation, because nobody's shooting at me, nobody's trying to blow me up, and it really factors into, instead of being post-traumatic stress, a post-traumatic growth. So now I get to refocus my life in a post-traumatic growth capacity as an outdoorsman, as a hunter. And then obviously, I know, money doesn't grow on trees, so, all of those sponsors that make that happen, I cannot express deeper gratitude than I can just do with my words, obviously, but, I just takes my breath away. I really appreciate everything.